This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Activision account to Xbox. Follow this step-by-step guide to complete this process. Open your browser and open activision.com and you will jump into official Activision website. Here, make sure to sign into your Activision account, then click on profile. And here select account linking and you will get here Xbox. Click on link account, continue, and it may ask you to sign in to your Microsoft Xbox account. Once done, click on accept, and that's it. As you can see, my Xbox account has been successfully linked with my Activision account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.